Hey, what up my cruisers? In this video, I'm just going to show you what happened to my Land Cruiser on October 27th of 2019. So this is a throwback video. Basically in this video, I get into a 3-car accident. It was not my fault at all, and I got rear-ended. So check it out. Basically, this is on Baseline and 51st Avenue, Southwest Phoenix. I was just on the way home by the CVS right there, as you see on the right. And I'm just going to demonstrate why sometimes it's good to have a vehicle such as my Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series. Even though it could have been worse, this Land Cruiser, as you'll see in a bit, sustained minimal damage. Alright, I'll let the video do the talking. Also, if you'd like to purchase my front and rear dash cameras, I got a link in the description for it as well on Amazon. So, I got you. So, in a few seconds, you're going to see what happens right here. We're stopped at the light. There's a Nissan Pathfinder behind me, which is minding their own business. And by the way, I muted the video from the original video because I was playing music, and you know YouTube, I don't want it copyrighted, so I have this background music playing. But you'll see what's going to happen in a second. Oh my god, bro. So while we're passing the CVS, the light turns red. So the cars in front of me stop and the Nissan Pathfinder stops. But that Chevrolet Cobalt or whatever, that tan one that just pulled out, doesn't. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, that impact was pretty good. Got me pretty good, and I had whiplash for a couple days. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was me with the back pain after I got out my car. I'm just happy, I'm grateful nobody was seriously injured in this accident. So here's some pictures and video of the Chevrolet. Sustained pretty severe damage. It was an elderly lady who was driving it, and she said she accidentally hit the gas button instead of the brake button. So we ended up pulling in the CVS parking lot, as you'll see in a second. And I have an ARB bumper in the front. It's full steel, like right here on the screen, as you can see. It's really strong, so I'm thinking of investing in a rear bumper as well for the back. Like right here. Pathfinder seat got some damage in the back. There you go, another picture of it. And basically all the damage I got was on my tow hitch cover for the bumper in the back. And see, I just have some scratches on there, but nothing really got broken. Again, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. theAZcruiser out.